In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filters in Gmail. Filters in Gmail are a powerful feature that can help you manage and organize your emails more efficiently, allowing you to focus on the content that matters most to you. Whether you want to automatically sort or label emails from specific people or filter by keywords, understanding how to use this tool can save you a significant amount of time. To start utilizing filters in Gmail, you'll first need to open the search options. At the top of your Gmail interface, you'll see the search bar. Look for the small down arrow or filter icon on the right-hand side of this bar. Clicking this will open a new window, revealing various search fields. Think of this as your control panel for setting up filters. Next, you'll want to enter specific criteria into these fields based on how you want your emails organized. For instance, if there's a particular sender whose emails you need to manage, enter their email address in the From field. Alternatively, if you're interested in filtering emails by subject, input the specific keywords or phrases that should appear in the subject line. For more detailed filtering, you can use the Has the Words field to include certain keywords or phrases that must be in the body of the message. By tailoring these criteria to meet your needs, you create a personalized filter that suits your workflow. Once you've filled out the necessary criteria, it's time to create the filter. You'll see a Create Filter button at the bottom of the Search Options window. Clicking this will move you to the next step, where you specify what actions you want Gmail to take with emails that match your filter criteria. Now, it's time to choose the specific actions for your filter. This part is where you can determine how Gmail handles these emails once they're identified. For example, you might want emails from a newsletter to skip the inbox and go straight to the archive. Simply select Skip the Inbox, Archive. Alternatively, if you want certain emails to be marked as read automatically, you can choose this option. Perhaps you want to apply a specific label to emails to keep them organized, or maybe you want to delete irrelevant messages without them reaching your inbox. The choice is yours, based on what helps you manage your email efficiently. Finally, you'll complete the process by saving the filter. Clicking Create Filter will apply and save your rule. With your filter now in place, emails matching your criteria will automatically follow the actions you selected, greatly improving your email management and helping your inbox stay clutter-free. By understanding and using filters in Gmail, you empower yourself to maintain a well-organized inbox tailored to your preferences. Spend a bit of time upfront setting these up, and you'll find your email experience much more streamlined and under control.